it's your girl Hype Kitten here. Kaya, the life of Kai, all of the above. And hopefully by the end of this video I will not be looking like this, but you know, I try and keep it real with y'all. So yes, this is my signature face. My face is stripped. No eyelashes, no eyebrows, no nothing. But with all that being said, this is just gonna be a quick video on how I achieve my signature blonde as well as my curls. As you can see, my hair looks a little dull, it's brassy, as well as I have, you know, some new growth. And hopefully by the end of this video, you'll be able to follow the tutorial and get your hair looking all luscious and your curls popping. But just for a disclaimer, I am no way, shape, or form a licensed cosmetologist. I don't do hair, I just play on my own head. So please, if you follow this tutorial, follow it at your own risk and know that I'm not a professional. So without further ado, let's get into the video, and I hope you enjoy it. First things first, I'm just gonna let you know what products I'll be using. I use the BW2 Professionals Powder Bleach. You guys can see that. As well as the Clear Ice Kaleidocolors Tonal Powder Lightener by Clear Professionals as well. I have a corner of a 50 volume developer as well as a 20 volume developer. Have my cup, have my handy toothbrush. I typically use 3/4 a pack of the Clear Ice Kaleidocolors, and I put in like a teaspoon of the BW2 just to kind of give it a little extra strength. Is that?
Alright, you guys, so at this point I'm mixing in all of my chemicals. I have a base of my 20 volume developer, and now I'm putting in about 3/4 of the Kaleidocolors packet Clear Ice. I just eyeball it, and now I'm adding in just a tad of the BW2, and I'm going to mix. I'm gonna mix a little bit, then I'm going to keep mixing, add in the little last corner of my 50 volume developer, and then I also add in some more 20 just so I can have the consistency that I want. Alright, you guys, and I always start with applying my hair bleach towards my edges first. I don't know why, it's just always kind of been a habit for me. I think it, like, from a child getting perms, you always want to make sure you know your edges was laid, so I just gotta do the same thing with coloring my hair. So I'm just working in from my edges all the way back. Work it in. And so now you see I have the bleach all over my head at this point. I take my toothbrush and I go in circular motions to make sure all of my coils and curls are covered, as well as my roots are being saturated by the bleach. Swirl it. Swirl, ew. Swirl, ooh. Swirl.
So just for the sake of time, as you can see, like, my roots are lifting. My roots are definitely lifting now. I'm not trying to get my roots the same color as my I'm not trying to have this roots the same color as my curls necessarily. I just wanted to kind of like take away the yellowness outside the curls and just lift my roots a little bit. So I should be washing this out within the next 10 to 15 minutes, if you can kind of see the look that I'm going for. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so now that I washed the bleach out of my hair, I'm back. So I'm gonna take my towel off. As you can see, oh, I still got some bleach. What'd you do? Alright, so as you can see, my roots have lifted, and yeah, I'll touch on my roots at a later date. I just didn't want to keep leaving the bleach in my hair. So my roots have lifted, and now I put in a clear shine. It's the John Frieda Luminous Glaze for all hair shades. So I put this in It says to leave it in for 3 minutes, but honestly I leave it in for like 5 to 10. So I'm just gonna rub this through my hair, and it looks like this. So it looks like this. I'm gonna rub this through my hair. You can kind of see already how my curls are coming through. So this is my hair with no product. Literally, it's just after I conditioned. But I'm about to do my products. So one thing that I noticed that works really well with my hair is TGIN, Thank God It's Natural. So here I have the Twist and Define cream, as well as the curl balm. This is really what works on my hair, and it holds my curls. So just to moisturize my hair, I'm gonna go through with the cream. It smells so good. And I always open palm, kind of like, not roll, but kind of massage my hair. Make sure you get the bag. And then you just put it in your palms. And the TGIN Curl Balm Gel, my hair ends up looking like this. And this is without like me fixing up my edges or anything. So, just wanted to show you. Hair ends up looking like this. I'm starting to get some of this powder off. So, by the time my hair finishes drying, I should have my complete face look and everything done. So stay tuned, we're almost there. I'm not done getting ready, but you can see my curls are well defined. I still have that two-tone variation that I like with my hair. So it turned out really well, you guys. And I'm still not done getting dressed for the night, but I had to get into these curls. So yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll probably end up posting some more, but yeah, girls, get into these curls. All right, y'all.